All right, guys, we are back, and we are looking at today Donatello storage shell from the Playmates re-release, 2024 re-release of the storage shell turtles from the early 90s there. So we've already done Leonardo, Michelangelo, and Raphael, and we are on, boom, boom, everyone's favorite turtle, Donatello. Like I said before, these are pretty much exact models or casts of the original figures. These are pretty much how I remember them. Same thing with the accessories, all very similar. There we go. So we got Donnie. So let's get him out. Oh, he's strapped in with plastic. Yep. Here, cut this. Yep. So we got Donnie there with the storage shell. So let's get his gear out. So he comes with his bow staff that we will put into the bow staff slot in the back here. Let's just get that in there. Yeah, man. There we go. All right, okay, we got bow staff, and we got a dagger there, and then we got another little hand axe here. I don't know why these are all kind of caveman-y weapons, but I dig them. Okay. And then for other accessories to put in the shell, we got the pizza everybody comes with, and we also have the throwing stars. Almost always fall out. Okay, we'll get these out. And so we'll use that storage shell now. Here we go. Open her up. And in the pizza and throwing stars go. All right, shell is closed. There you go. All right, guys, Donatello, another awesome turtle. So we're done the 4 turtles. So I do not know what the next set of figures will be, but it should be coming up here shortly. So thanks for checking it out, and we will see you guys on the next one. Peace.